Hi there, what's up? My name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video, we are going to learn about Tailwind CSS. The current stable version of Tailwind CSS is version 4, which is recently launched in 2025. The best thing is Tailwind CSS, the best thing to use this Tailwind CSS for, we don't need to write an external CSS. Let's talk about our learning objectives. So the first thing is comes in our mind is why do we need this library? And then when I solve this issue and when we solve this question in our mind, then we need to move to the second phase. The second phase is installation, editor setup. You can use the install in your VS Code, in Atom, or maybe in your Sublime. You can use anyone. But I prefer to use that VS Code extension and VS Code editor. The third one is no need to override CSS predefined classes, because this is the utility class based CSS framework. It means that if you want to write a margin, a padding, then you don't need to write a proper class name like the hero section, and then you go to create a new CSS file like style.css file, and then write .hero, then curly braces, and write the padding and margin, and you put the value. We just need to create, you just need to write a class into your HTML code with the p dash and whatever you want. Okay, now move to the fourth objective. What kind of the frameworks it can we support? CSS is easily installed in many frameworks like the Laravel, Next.js, React.js, Vue, Next.js, Angular, and Solid.js, and much more. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. What is Tailwind CSS actually? Tailwind CSS is a CSS framework. Almost no need to write whole CSS code by your own. It's have the color and match function. We'll talk about it later in our next tutorials. Okay, so don't worry about this. It helps to create a responsive design in no time. It's had the style, tone, formality. It's all have this, and it's installed in almost every front-end full-stack frameworks. So if you have any question in your mind, just write your question in a comment, and we'll talk about it in next videos. So for the now, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.